Looks like an accessory blower hooked up to this main plenum right here. But up at the top, all these boot connections, just so you have a reference, that's the size of my finger. All of them are like that. You see the one in the back? Can't imagine what kind of leakage that has. There's just tons of ghosting up there in the insulation. This right here is a reducer made from, I don't know, maybe a 8-inch round down to a 6-inch. The reducer is made with tape. And it's like it's so loose. Oh yeah. Smoke plant problem.